Hello, this is Candy with MBA. Thanks for joining me for this quick Charted Dashboard tip and trick video. Have you ever needed to utilize an existing chart within a presentation or report without including the dataset and/or the summary? Images can be copied and are saved directly from the Charted Dashboard. From the dashboard, right-click on the chart. To save the image, select Save Image As and save it to your computer. Once saved, the image can be inserted into a document or presentation. To copy the image, select Copy Image. Proceed to the document or presentation, right-click, and paste. Thanks for watching this Charted Tip or Trick video.